Hello everyone, this is Priyansh from the developer team of CustomGPT.ai, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can add a sitemap to your existing project, or you can say an agent, using the CustomGPT APIs. So this will be a step-by-step guide. I'll actually show you and run the code myself to show you how you can do this. Before we move on, there are some prerequisites that you should have or you must have read our getting started with the custom GPT for new developers. So just click over here, you'll be redirected to this blog post, which will talk about all the functionalities that is present in the custom GPT platform. So the first step will be, of course, account creation. So if you go to CustomGPT.ai, the links will be in the description below. And let me move myself a little bit. Yeah, so if you go and click try for free, because I am actually logged in, so this will show my dashboard, but you'll be seeing something like let me go back. Yeah, the account creation step. So you can just go to homepage, sign up, fill in your details. You'll be asked, then I'll get an email from our team to verify your email, and then this blog actually talks about the overview of the platform, the key sections where you can see billing information, event logs where you can log out or check the limits and usages, how you can create a new agent, and things like that. So I would highly recommend you to please read through this article, and then we can start with adding a custom GPT. Let me go back. Yeah, adding a sitemap to your existing project. So all the code that we'll be talking about in this video, as well as this blog post, whose link will be in the YouTube description video, will contain a notebook link. So if you click on it, it's a public repository with the name of Custom GPT Cookbook. The link to this will also be in the description. So this contains samples and guides for using the Custom GPT APIs. So let me go back. Also, you can just go to examples and get all the custom codes that we have actually made a guide series for you guys to get to know more about the Custom GPT APIs and how to use them. So feel free to just go and either copy this raw file or download it. I have already done it for me to just save some few seconds. So add a sitemap to an existing project. This is a Google Colab notebook. So you need to fill in a few details over here, the most important one being the API key. So in the cookbook it will be saying add your API token here. I have already created mine one, and let me show you how you can actually create one. So there are actually two ways to do this. We also talk about getting your API keys in detail in the blog as well. So method 1 says via agent, and the method 2 says via profile section. So let me show you what I mean by those terms. So let's say you want to do via your profile section. So just hover over or click on your account image, or maybe the first initial of your name. Go to my profile. You'll see an API tab over here. Just click over it. These are the sample keys that I have created, the secret keys, the created, the last used one. Of course, the key that I'll be creating for this video will be deleted immediately after I stop recording this video. But let's suppose we go ahead, click on the API key, and let me give this a name, blog temp key 1. So now that I have given it a name, I'll hit on creating the API key. So just need to be careful that you won't be able to view it again. So just copy it over here, press OK, go to your Google Colab notebook, and just copy. Let me remove this, and yeah, this is my new key. Then again, you need to import some libraries that we'll be using in this video, some headers. We are sending a application, or we are sending a JSON type request with API token as the authorization medium. So because it's an existing project, you'll be needing a project ID. So let's suppose let me go to my platform. Yeah, we'll be using something, the file upload agent that I created, and I'll add maybe a sitemap to this, or maybe a file to this in some other videos. So let me go back, go ahead and click the agent settings over here. To get the project ID or the agent ID, this is the place where you should get it. Other places like this, projects 64972, you can also get your project ID or agent ID from over here. But for now, I'll just let me show you, zoomed in a bit, agent ID, copy this agent ID from here, You can go to your custom cookbook. I have already copied, but let's remove and add it again to just show you that this is an integer field and not a string field, so just be mindful of that. And this is a sitemap that will be adding to our project, and let me show you what this sitemap actually does. So this sitemap actually contains some other links of blog pages or news articles that custom GPT agent will fetch the contents from and make a custom GPT bot for you. So it talks about Tom Brady and more articles about Tom Brady. So let me close this and add the new sitemap path, and then I'll prepare my payload with the sitemap path as my new sitemap path. And then this will be my final URL, the API endpoint plus the projects plus the project ID plus sources. So it looks something like app.customgpt.ai app slash v1 slash projects slash the project ID be like 1 2 3 4 just for the reference part, and then sources. So let me remove it a bit because this okay, I think I should add v1 over here, or just let me, yeah, v1, great. And then I'll create a source. We'll have the method as post and headers, the data as the payload, and then we'll also print what we are actually sending. So let me go ahead and just run this piece of code. So it actually says allocating the runtime, then it's now connecting to Python 3 Google Compute Engine backend, because it's been a while. My Google Colab is just getting started. So yeah, the green tick means the code executed successfully. Now let's go and add a sitemap to the project and actually send a request to send a post request to add this sitemap over to our project. So I'll run this part of the code as well, and yeah, seems like it's been done. This is the current present time, and yeah, the sitemap path is this one. So let me actually show you where it actually got created, or where did you add a sitemap to an existing project. So let me go back to my deployments, all the agents. I'll go to file upload agent, click on the settings because that's an easy thing. I'll go to data because the sitemap will be added over here. So yeah, this is as you can see, the current date is 12th of March. I did it before too on 7th March once, but this is the recent one. So if you go to documents, so you will see actually all of the documents that were added by the sitemap. So these, the failed ones you see, is actually the links that are not currently working, or you can say these links have been discontinued by, I think, americanfootball.fandom.com. So that's why our crawler is unable to take data from it. So this should be fine for this video, and feel free to just go to the blog. I have explained all the code snippets, what they do. The payload now includes just the sitemap path, running and testing the notebook, running each how to execute the notebook, and if you see some errors, just these might be some endpoints or the areas you might be want to look at, and then ending with the conclusion. So if you find any issues with setting up this cookbook, the links is over here. Just comment down below and I'll jump on and help you how to set up or use CustomGPT APIs. So that's it from me. I'm Priyansh, signing out.